The landscape of agriculture has really changed and is continuing to change, and we need to be able to adapt with that. So our goal is to add value to every facet of our operation. Well, my name is Richard Roach. I'm from Monticello, Indiana. I have the honor of farming with my father and brother-in-law. The sixth generation here on this land. Our business name is RAKR Farms. We always call it RAKR. We raise corn, soybeans, a little bit of wheat. We have hogs and cattle as well. And then most recently, we built a renewable energy facility that we call Waste No Energy LLC. And that is just an anaerobic digester where we produce electricity from food waste and our manures. We process about 35,000 gallons a day. Of that, roughly 5,000 is our manures, with the balance being food waste. We're creating a sustainable power production source for our community. We produce 1 meg of energy, which is about enough to power 940 homes in our community. And then the byproduct, the effluent, is then used as a major fertilizer source for our crops. It's just that circular motion of using the effluent to grow the crops to feed the livestock, use the manure from the livestock to put back in the digester to create electricity, and thus more fertilizer to grow the crops again, and just start that process all over. So it's a different form of vertical integration with the end goal of adding value back to everything that we're doing and not having a waste. Obviously, a combine is a huge capital investment, and it's a very crucial and important tool, although it's only in operation for 3 months at most out of the year. We always historically had one red combine and one green combine, and we felt that that was a good way to kind of spread the risk a little bit and capture the benefits of both machines. That's a huge capital investment to have 2 machines, 2 headers of each type, and things like that. And we're trying to do more with less. We made the decision to go from a 2 combine operation to trying to push everything through 1 machine. There were existing machines that had the throughput capacity that we were looking for, but they did not have the grain handling capacity. There were machines that have the grain handling capacity, but did not have the throughput capacity. And that kind of led us to Fendt. It had the grain tank size, the unload auger speed, where we could run just 1 auger cart in a 3/8 mile field. We can get 2 full hoppers and unloading on the go and have a full auger cart, which equates to a full semi. It's just those little things in our analysis that make a huge difference. We looked at fuel savings because we felt like we would be able to complete harvest over the same number of acres in fewer hours. We were pretty close in our modeling, and they came through as advertised. So the risk there with the Fendt was it was a brand new machine, and we knew that was going to come with some growing pains. But with the Gold Star program and the 0 maintenance expenses for the first 3 years, you start to level that playing field pretty quickly. All machines have the ability to do the same job given the right operator, the right settings. The difference is how fast can they do that job at that same level. And that's where we felt like the Fendt could separate itself in the fact that it could do it at the rate we needed to maximize the rest of our infrastructure.